This assessment asks us to predict the product of this reaction. The first step of this reaction is going to be a lone pair on the carbon, deprotonating the carboxylic acid. That's going to form a new intermediate where we have the carboxylate. That still has, of course, the rest of the molecule attached. This carboxylate then performs an SN2 reaction with the diazomethane intermediate that forms from the protonation of the carbon. The oxygen will attack carbon, kicking out nitrogen gas as a byproduct. Very stable, thermodynamically stable nitrogen gas drives the reaction forward, and that gives us our final product. Of the methyl ester. This methyl ester is the final product of this reaction.